we have developed in collaboration with NASA and University of Miami a system called the Marine Optical Network, or MARONET. And MARONET is a buoy we have deployed off Rottnest Island a few weeks ago, and it's used to quality control and check satellite observation that NASA is providing us recurrently. But there is another world that we generally forget because we don't see it. It's invisible to us, and it's actually very tiny microscopic algae that live in the oceans. We call them the phytoplankton, and they are feeding the entire marine food web. They are very small, but we use satellites orbiting the Earth to look at the oceans and to quantify how much of this phytoplankton we have in the oceans. We do it from space, so the satellite is looking at this light coming back from the oceans, and MARONET is doing exactly the same thing, but from the field, in the water. And by comparing the two, we can permanently be sure that we quality control the data from space. So the site we selected off Rottnest is perfectly adapted to do this quality control of the satellite because we have very clear atmosphere here, and the properties in the oceans are relatively stable, so we can have controlled environment that we know quite well. The deployment is made in 2 times, so there is a mooring which is first deployed, and then the MARONET is actually attached to this mooring, floating around. So we use a number of ships here from Fremantle, and then we need to go there maybe once a month to check that everything is fine, to clean the instruments. And about every 6 months we will swap the system. We have 2 identical systems, and one is going to replace the other one on a 6 monthly basis.